Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end only, then your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next videos for the further help you. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all, and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my all the network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you will get a lots of keys here. You can see here there is a key of airplane mode. So simply you will have to activate this airplane mode. After this, your phone's all the network will be switched off like this. Now you can see here all the network has been switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, because it's most important to close all the background running application before going to the master unlocking method. So there generally it is not possible to close the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every brand service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret code updates within 2 and 3 days. Okay, so simply you will have to click on the emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your dialing pad like this. Now here you will have to feed your secret code to close the background running application, and this secret code is star 999, then star 00, then star 8546, then hash. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the same 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Okay, so after this simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is star hash 899, then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you have to go with the option of a manual test option. And when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers board page. You can see here. Now you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a other option which will come at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a main board version at the 4th number. It's also known as a database version. If you are showing here database version, then don't worry at all, both the option have the same function. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this main board version or database version 9 times rapidly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the first step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option. At the first time when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here, and the second time you will have to again cancel, and the third time you will have again cancel. But at the fourth time when you will click on this option, you will have to go with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK button, you can see here there is an option has been opened on my phone display, that is wrong password option. It means your phones has been completely formatted, and your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, so now your phone is unlocked. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can check your phone has been unlocked or not. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click your phone's home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this home button option. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. Okay, so if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing to with your smartphone to unlocking method. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.